Okay, this is Brody getting the frisbee. Are you ready, buddy? Are you ready? Go get the frisbee. All right, good boy. Good boy. Okay, but you got to give it back to mommy. Okay, drop it. Brody, drop it. Okay, come on, booger. All right. All right, Brody, drop. Drop. Drop it. Give it to mommy. Easy, killer. All right, drop the frisbee. Alright, drop the frisbee. I gotta throw it back to you. Alright, Brody. I got it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Go get it. Get the frisbee. Good boy. Oh, what a good doggy. All right, give it to mommy. Brody, drop it. No, you gotta give it to mommy. You gonna give it to mommy? Huh? Huh? Good boy. Hey, Birdie. Hey, mommy's gonna take the frisbee. Are you ready? Are you ready? You wanna go get it? Go get your frisbee. Oh, good boy. That was so fast. That was so fast. Look at that. Are you ready? You ready? Are you ready? Go get the frisbee. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Guess what? You learned a new trick for Grandma when she visits in a few weeks, huh? Yeah, you better tell Grandma to get her frisbee throwing arm ready. Good boy. Good boy. Bye. Alright, enjoy the frisbee, kiddo.